YouTube, we back with another video. It's your boy Ellis P, Wavy. Hey, it's birthday weekend. Got a few gifts. I'm just basically doing an unboxing for my sneakerheads. Somebody sent me a pair of shoes for my birthday, so shout out to them. I just want to show y'all what I got for my B-Day. I got 2 boxes. Open them up, unbox. I'm gonna unbox them with you. I don't know what I got. I want y'all to enjoy it with me, see what I got. This was from my son. Bulls hat, y'all know we from Chicago. Big P Wavy on the side of it. So you already know, man, we enjoying the festivities of the birthday weekend, okay? So stay tuned. Ellis P Wavy. Let's start with this little box that I got, man. It's basically, I don't want to show my address, but it say you need a signature for it, all right? Only time I ever see something like this that you need a signature, it's expensive. I'm gonna unbox it with y'all, see what I got. You know, I don't ask for much. I work hard. I take care of folks who take care of me. When I get anything, ooh, this nice right here. Let me step back a little bit. We got something from Gucci, okay? We got something from Gucci, the green box. All right, got a little bag that come with it. Gucci bag. You know, I like the finer things in life too. You know what I'm saying? This definitely not no shade to nobody who can't afford something or get something nice like this. I work hard. I show y'all how to get waves. I go to work. I take care of kids and family and friends. You know, so it's nice to get something in return. All right, so let's crack this bad boy open. See what it is. I kind of got a feeling that I know what it is. Alright, another bag. It's a Gucci belt. Alright, so shout out to family for the Gucci belt. Alright. We got the double G joint. Alright. Shout out to them for the authenticness of the belt. I'm finna wear this on my shoulder like a championship belt from WWF. You know what I'm saying? Finally got the belt. Alright, so that's the first gift, man, from Gucci. Let's get into the main attraction. We back. Alright, I totally showed y'all the wrong way to open the box. Always cut away from yourself, all right? So please don't do that if there's some kids watching, man. Don't cut towards yourself when opening up a box, all right? All right, so I knew these were some shoes. Y'all know I like shoes. I promised y'all a shoe review every so often. I haven't done it, but I got some shoes for my B-Day. And I don't know which ones it is, all right? So I'm gonna show y'all right along with myself, all right? So there go the box, size 11, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, all right? Black, varsity red, and white. All right, so off the color, I already know what they is, man. So let's get into it, all right? They got it from StockX, paid a pretty penny. Nonetheless, we got the signature OG Jordan band, all right, bread. All right, this completes my bread collection, all right? You know what I'm saying? So this is real iconic to me, all right? So let me give you a backstory on the bread, all right? It came out in 2016. I got the shoe when it dropped in 2016, right? All right, it's story time, all right? Pay attention. It's a real quick story, right? We had a barbecue for work. A couple of the guys that worked together, we all had a barbecue on the west side, right? Somebody came up in the circle. We was huddled up over the grill. They came in. I don't know if they was drunk, high, off drugs, or whatever the case may be. They started some BS with us, and we basically had to put the feet on them, okay? So I ruined my last pair of Jordan band OG highs, breads. Okay, I ruined them. They was garbage. They was muddy. They was creased up. They was toe up from putting feet on Buddy. Okay, so it took me 5 years to replace it. So this means a lot to me, man. It definitely means a lot to have this shoe back in my collection. You know what I'm saying? If you ever see my videos and you look in the background, I always got this spot right here empty because I knew I was gonna get this pair again one time or another. All right. So yeah, man, let's do a quick review on the shoe. All right, you guys, let's take a closer look at these OG breads. Okay, checking out the outsole. You got the varsity red throughout the bottom. You got the Nike with the swoosh at the bottom, all varsity red. You got white on the midsole all the way around, and you got the varsity red on the upper and the back. Okay, you got a nice tumble leather, red, varsity red on the toe box. All right, this is real good leather, tumble leather, all varsity red toe box. You got all black on the side panel with the signature tumble leather red varsity swoosh. You got your black Jordan emblem right here with the wings. Okay, you got your black standard laces that come with it. Then you also have, like I said, the alternative red and white. You got black leather around the toe cap. Nice basic leather. You got an all black tongue with a red Nike Air on the top of the tongue on both pairs. Looking at the inside of the shoes, let's take this out. You got your signature number on the inside. You got your white insole with the red Nike Air, men's size 11. So yeah, man, this is basically a quick little shoe review, unboxing of what I got for my birthday. Until the next time, we out of here. My personal favorite Jordan of all time is the Jordan 1 Breads. All right, and they back in the collection, back home where they belong. This is a short video. I told y'all I'm just giving y'all a quick unboxing. We ain't doing too much. We got the belt. We got the championship Gucci belt. We got the P Wavy, Mitchell and Ness, Chicago Bulls, stand up Chicago. You know we in the building, and we out of here. Hey, do me a favor. Do me a favor before y'all exit this video. Hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, bang that like button, bang that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy one time.